I have generated insane reply rates by simply using personalized cold emails. Now, if you're not using Salesforge, writing personalized cold emails might take you hours. Scraping the information about their leads, looking at their LinkedIn profiles, company websites, and then actually coming up with a personalized icebreaker, personalized offer, personalized CTA. So if you still want to send personalized emails but you don't have hours to spend personalizing them manually and you're not using Salesforge, I'm going to show you how to do that, how to personalize the first line of each email, the icebreaker, for pennies on the dollar. Literally, you can personalize 1,000 first lines for the price of a cup of coffee. And for that, we're going to use Coldhooks, and I'm going to show you how to do everything. So 1K credits only cost $6, and all you need to do is upload a CSV, wait 30 minutes, and that's it. So let me show you how it's done. Once you log into Coldhooks, you'll see this interface. You can upload the files, which we'll do in a bit, and change the prompts. This is a beautiful thing about Coldhooks, is because you can input your own prompts or edit the prompts to your liking. For example, this prompt will generate a compliment based on person's LinkedIn, company, website company, and the icebreaker will be like referring to a problem that the company is solving and complimenting the person's involvement, right? So it's like a compliment generator. It's nothing groundbreaking, but better than nothing. For $6, 1,000, amazing, right? And you can change this prompt. That's the beautiful part about Coldhooks. You can add as many prompts as you like, and when you're done, just go to File Upload. So as you can see, I made a little test. What you need is, of course, the website URL, personal LinkedIn, and company name. Of course, you need to have the first and last name and email, right? What you do then is just download the CSV. You upload the CSV, and that's it. I'm using free credits now, but you select the prompt you like. All variables, you map the variables like personal LinkedIn with person's LinkedIn profile. Map, you click map, then company name with company name, of course, that's the company name. You click map, and company website together with website URL. This one, right? Map, and that's it. You confirm upload. You can add a custom file name, whatever you want, right? You input cleaners to clean up the and format your data. I don't need that, and confirm upload. That's it. And see, in 20 to 30 minutes, you'll receive an email with all of this completed. Once it's done, I'm pretty sure you can just, download here. You can download the input file and output file, and you will get hooks that look like these. You're helping businesses revolutionize their data analysis with Denton's platform. It's impressive to see your commitment to innovation and driving business efficiently. Well, like these are way behind Salesforce personalization, right? But this is a great alternative for people who just want quick personalization first lines. And it all depends based on the prompt, right? Compliments, salespeople just see through the compliments, right? They don't really work anymore. Because if you're trying to just compliment someone, they'll know that it's a template, it's not genuine. It's AI generated or something. So maybe you should use your own prompt and it would be better. But like it's great alternative for $1,000. $6 for 1,000 personalization credits. For this, it's not bad. Like again, it's not like Salesforge. It doesn't personalize the whole email, right? But it's okay. It's better than nothing. So I suggest you take a look at Coldhooks. If you have found any other similar tools and you want me to review them, let me know and I'll do that ASAP. Yeah, so